Hi everybody. Today I'm a little bunny, and have you ever wondered how my butt smells? Really? So, I am gonna upload something, and this is gonna be easy. Why are you YouTube tub? Anyway, I have suggested that I will make a video, and it's all about me. Me. I'm amazing. Just me. So, let's do this thing. Okay, is that camera on? Hey, you on? I'm guessing it's on. Okay, today I'm going to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a cute furry bunny that looks just like my furry, ugly self. Actually, I'm very cute. I'm amazingly cute. Anyway, have you noticed I sniff a lot? Well, I guess that'll be the end. I never... Oh, the end! Bye! Love you! Yeah!